This is a crossbow. It works really great. I remove hogs that are tearing up property. And these feral hogs, they will tear up some lawn. They will tear up golf courses. They are a real nuisance down here in Florida. They're everywhere. You don't have to have a license to kill them, trap them. Literally, you can get them any way you want. Now, where most of the places, all the places that I remove the nuisance hogs, you cannot use a firearm. And they don't want me using dogs because it's a lot of noise. And some of them are in neighborhoods, on golf courses, and you know, those people with a lot of money, they don't like that. I use this crossbow during the day. I hunt with a knife at night. But during the day, I use a crossbow. And I kill 400-pound, 300-pound hogs all the time. And if you can kill a hog, which is the toughest animal that I have ever harvested, because I don't just whack them and leave them. I harvest that meat. I eat and preserve what I can because I don't have much room, and all the meat left over, I still cut it and wrap it, and I give it to the needy. That way the meat doesn't get wasted, and cooked properly, that hog will taste good. But I come to realize something. This crossbow is legal for a convicted felon to own. This is legal. Now the All-American Prepper, he gonna have him a crossbow, boy. Like I said, I refer back to the Canadian Prepper about the All-American Prepper because that is me. So touche to him. He definitely called me out, and he was talking about me. So this is convicted felon legal. And if I can drop a 400-pound hog with it on the spot, there's nothing. If hogs are the hardest thing, a wild boar are the toughest animals I've ever seen. So with this crossbow here, I drop them right in the heart. I place the shot right in the heart. I drop them right there on the spot. And I just found this is convicted felon legal. So for you felons out there, which there's a lot of people that are felons, that it's just not fair. If you are driving somebody else's car and they got the wrong tag on that car, and you're just going to the store and you had no idea that that's the wrong tag on that car, and you were just going to the store, and you get pulled over here in Florida, guess what? You just became a convicted felon. You cannot have a firearm. That's just not right. That's taking away, you know, everybody has a right to defend themselves. So you don't have to have a gun. I'll tell you, this crossbow, I drop a 400-pound hog with this thing. I practice. So for you felons out there, go down and get you a good crossbow. You need some sort of protection. And don't be an idiot and catch another felony charge, okay? Try your best not to. So you don't end up on probation, because on probation you can't have this. Once you get off probation, then you can. But this is a means of self-defense. that a felon can have, because there are a lot of felons out there, like I said, that are convicted felons over the wrong tag on a car. They had no idea. They still have the right to defend their families, but they just got that right taken away because they can't have a firearm. This is not considered a firearm. So, for you felons out there, I would get me a crossbow. Actually, you know, anybody, I would have a crossbow. If you can't get ammunition, you got a crossbow. I could make the arrows for this. I could make the string for this. And I make sure mine's a recurve. That way I don't have those pulleys on there that break. I've had this for years, and it's done great. It lasts. I drop hogs all the time with it. This has made me a lot of money. So I had a lot of subscribers wanting me to follow up on convicted felon legal means of hunting, and this is one of them. Now, for my subscribers out there, if you know of other convicted felon legal things, please leave it in the comment below. And just one more thing, please subscribe to this channel. You know, I started this channel because I have PTSD. I was a sniper contractor, okay, and I thought I was tougher than I thought I was mentally tougher than I am, okay, and there's just some things that the human mind's just not meant to see. Not that many times. So, and any money I make off this channel goes to homeless people with PTSD. That's my target group of people to help. You know, I've found out that the people that have the least help the most. I don't understand that. So just to recap, convicted felon legal, drop a 400-pound hog in his tracks. You know, you can get a muzzle loader. That's felon legal too. I just can't use that removing these hogs, because those people with a lot of money, they hear that bang, they lose their mind. If they lived in my neighborhood, I don't know what they would do, because these guys, all they do is shoot all day. I don't know where they're getting all this ammo from. This is y'all American Prepper. Please subscribe. Please smash that like button. And have a blessed day. And stay ready.